second graders can use a number line to solve for two-digit subtraction. We're going to use our example of 63 minus 32. Since 63 is the total number, I'm going to place that on this side of the number line. Because remember that the numbers are going bigger as we move to the right. So I'm going to start with 63. And from 63, I'm going to take away 32. Well, I don't need to make 32 hops. That would be too many hops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this number 32 up into 30 plus 2 using my knowledge of place value. So what I can do is make one big hop backwards. I'm going in this direction now because I'm taking away of 30. So I'm going to label my hop as minus 30. And it's very important that you label your number line. So because I took 30 away from 63, I now have 33. I've landed on 33. I've really just taken 30 away from the 60 and I still have that 3. Well, now I still have to take away 2 more. So what I can do is I can hop 1 backwards. It's minus 1. And I'm at 32. And then I have to do 1 more hop. And now I'm at 31. And my unknown partner is 31. Now, there's another way that you can do that if you wanted to. If you weren't feeling comfortable with counting backwards, sometimes it's very hard for us to count backwards, you can use your knowledge of addition to solve for that same equation. I'm going to take my number line, and we know I can turn this equation into an addition by writing 32 plus some certain number of hops equals 63 to get to my total. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my total always on the right hand side because that is the biggest number, so it's going to be all the way to the right. And I know that I can start at 32. That's one of my add-ins. And what we can do to add is we can hop a certain number to get to 63. So if you're more comfortable counting forwards, you can do it this way as well. So if I start at 32, I'm going to have to make a certain number of hops to get to 60. Well, I know if I make about a hop of 30, I'll get 62. And that will get me close without going over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one big hop of 30. And I'm going to land on 62. And then I know I'm one more hop away to 63. I'm going to count how many spaces I've hopped, and it's 31. And 32 plus 31 equals 63.